Did you know that radiation is a way of how energy passes through certain objects?
Really? I didn't know that.
Well, this lab that we're going to do is going to explain it perfectly. I think that we should take thermometers and put them into two separate cans and put them in front of the light, and the light will represent the sun. But we have to do this experiment accurately, so we need to measure certain things out here.
What kind of different cans do we have to use?
Well, we're going to have to use a silver one, which will reflect surfaces on Earth, such as water, and it'll be able to show that heat is reflecting off, energy is reflecting off of those objects.
Right, like snow or water and things like that.
Yeah, or glaciers,
Okay.
Something like that. And maybe
Makes
a
sense.
black can, which will show how energy is being trapped in to certain objects,
That
like
could be like a road or anything that's sort of black on the surface.
black surface, yes.
That makes sense. Or like soil that's supposed to be dark. Or
Yeah.
like volcanic areas.
Volcanic areas would work,
Alright,
yep.
so we can get the black one here, and then we would stick the thermometer 3 centimeters in, right?
3 centimeters would be good, yep.
Okay. Ruler will measure 3 centimeters. All right. Here you go.
Perfect.
And then how far away from the bulb does it need to be?
20 centimeters,
20 centimeters.
exactly from the bulb, which will represent the sun.
Okay. So, 20. Put them parallel to each other. So,
And we need to make sure that we can read the thermometer, so make sure you turn that towards you when you put it up there.
okay. So there's 1. There we go.
All right, and I can read mine. Can you read yours? All right, and you think we should check them at 1 minute intervals for 10 minutes with the light on, and then same with the light off?
Right, that works. That sounds good. All right. So, you got your stopwatch ready?
I got the stopwatch ready.
All right. Let's turn our light on.
It's all set up and ready to go, and it looks like the black can is at 25 degrees.
Okay. 25 initial, and then the shiny can is also at 25 degrees for the initial temperature.
All right, so
Alright.
it looks like we can start.
All right. Let's turn this light on.
End of minute 1 for the black can. It looks like we have 27 degrees.
And it's 26 degrees for the white can.
At the end of minute 2, so let's check our recordings. We've got 30 degrees centigrade for the black can.
We have 27 degrees for the white can. Let's go to minute 3.
End of minute 3, so let's take a look. 33 degrees for the black can.
And 28 degrees for the white can.
Arrived at the end of minute 10, and we are going to take a look at our last degrees for the light being on. The black can appears to be at 43 degrees centigrade.
And the white can is 35 degrees centigrade. Let's turn off the light.
And we'll start with the darkness. We're at the end of minute 1 with the light off, and the temperature for the black can is 41 degrees.
And for the white can is 34 degrees.
We are finally at minute 10 with the light off, and it seems that the black can has reached 29 degrees for the end of this experiment.
And the white can is at 27 degrees.
We're We're going to do the same experiment basically, but we're going to use real life examples. We've already set this up. So,
So the water would be representing like the shiny can.
Exactly.
Right? And then the sand would be like the black can.
Yes.
So we're going to see the difference in rates of how they increase in temperature.
Yes. And if you want to write down the initial temperature,
Okay.
the one with the water is currently at 23 degrees.
How about the sand?
The one with the sand is at 24 degrees.
24 degrees.
All right, so now we're going to turn on the light, and we're going to do the same as we did before. 10 minutes, 1 minute intervals. End of minute 1, and it looks like the water is still at 23 degrees, or moved down to 23 degrees.
And the sand is still at 24 degrees.
Minute 10, and let's see how much our water has changed. It looks like it's now at 25 degrees.
And the sand is at 27 degrees.